friends, how are you? I think you must have been fit and fine. And this is Parvesh Chaudhary. I again welcome to all of you on this learning platform, NET English and UPPCS aspirants. Fine. So friends, today we are going to discuss about modern Indian history, and in modern Indian history there is a topic Cripps mission. Fine. And so as you can see on your computer screen friends, today we'll discuss about Cripps mission. And before proceed on the topic, I would humbly request to all of you that please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you'll be getting all essential notifications on your computer screen instantly. Fine. So let's start the topics. As you can see on your computer screen, fine, here the Cripps mission. Fine, this is the first paragraph. Let's go through the passage. In the Second World War, the British lost Burma and Singapore. Consequently, they came under pressure and frightened. Therefore, they started to bow the Indians in order to strengthen their army. Fine. Actually, what happened here, as per the ground, friends, that after World War II, the British observed that they are losing Burma. Actually, they lost Burma and Singapore. Fine. And after that, they decided that they should go to Indians and asked for helps and support in order to making their army strong. Fine. So it was the complete story here. And after that, diplomatically, they decided and they sent their war department sent Britain Sir Stafford Cripps to India on March 1942. And the main agenda was getting support and cooperation from the Indians. Finds the basic objective of the visit was to get support and cooperation from the Indians. Fine. I hope you must be getting, students. Fine. Let's move forward. Here the British recognized and proclaimed right to dominion for India. Fine. What happened here, friends, that after all the British recognized and proclaimed, declared, and they given right to dominion for India. And this is what Indian people were demanding for, were asking for, and they constantly protesting, and they were raising their voice strongly. Okay, fine, they were asking this right to dominion. Fine. And after all the British decided to give them right to dominion. Fine. I hope you must be getting. Fine. Let's move forward. Indians also were given permission to form their own constitution. Fine. Apart from this, friends, the Indians also got a permission that they are free to form their own constitutions, and if they want, they can make their own constitutions, right, as per their requirements. Fine. So I hope you must be getting. Let's move forward on the next one slide over here. Just a moment. Here the Cripps mission. And what happened after that, friends? The main objective was to persuade the Muslim League Congress, here the Indian National Congress I'm talking about, and all other Indian states and caste-based factions and community, right? But they all rejected this proposal. You know what happened ultimately? After that, the main objective was to convince the Muslim League and Congress Party and all other Indian states. Why they are making efforts to persuade them? Because you know what, behind the curtain they wanted to convince them. Fine. And when they came to know that there was nothing new in their proposal, then finally they denied their offer. Fine. I hope you must be getting, students. Let's move forward. And Gandhi demanded the undivided India. Fine. The Gandhi demanded the undivided India. Fine. And the Congress demanded the full control over India, while Muslim League wanted to a separate nation, you can call the Pakistan. Fine. But stated that a slave country cannot have any inspiration, right? And they were saying, they were considering that a slave country cannot make any inspiration, right? All these factions stated that there was not an appropriate representation in the concerned provinces. Actually, if you must have remembered, students, in my previous video I have told you about the Montemillo reforms. These Montemillo reforms had this, some similarity with this Cripps mission. So actually all these factions came to know, they observed that there was nothing new in these Cripps missions, right? So that's why they decided, the Dalit and other depressed classes, that they denied of not having anything new in their proposal. Fine, I hope you must be getting, students. Let's move forward here. Just a moment, and let's go through the conclusion of this Cripps mission. Almost here the conclusion, friends. Almost all parties had rejected the proposal. Fine, so it was the conclusion, result of this Cripps mission, that all the parties had rejected the proposal. Fine, and after that, when there was no transfer of power, so Congress rejected. The main reason Congress rejected this proposal, because there was no transfer of power. Fine, so it was a futile, useless for them, and they decided to reject it. Fine, and the Muslim rejected because the Pakistan was not given them. They had demanded for the Pakistan, but the Pakistan was not given them, that they also rejected. So I hope you must be getting, students. You must have enjoyed this little lecture, and again I sincerely appeal to all of you that please subscribe the channel and press the bell icons, and so you would be getting all the essential notification instantly on your computer phone. And this is the time to say goodbye. Meet again in the very next video. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.